Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Furi Yarn. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a cherry keychain. I used 3mm crochet hook. First we should make a magic ring like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. We should make 8 single crochet into the magic ring like this. Insert your hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. After 8 single crochet, tie the yarn like this, and we should make a slip knot into the first single crochet like this. Row 2 start with a chain 1. Into the same stitch, we should make 2 single crochet. In this row, we should make in each stitch just 2 single crochet in the same stitch, as you can see. In the end of this row, we should have 16 stitch. And make a slip knot in the first stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. And row 3, we should make a chain, and we should make row 3 to row 5. In each stitch, just 1 single crochet. And in the end of row, we should make slip stitch like this. We start row 6, chain 1, and single crochet in the same stitch. Next stitch, a single crochet, and we should make decrease like this. Insert your hook, pull up a loop. In the next stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Again, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and a decrease. You insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. And row 7, just chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, and next stitch, decrease. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, insert your hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. We should follow this pattern, 1 single crochet and decrease, and in the end a slip stitch. After row 7, just tie the yarn like this and just fill the cherry like this. Use your finger, it's easier, as you can see. And just tie the yarn. And row 8, chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch and decrease, just like row 7. And just tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor and pull it. We should make a slip knot like this. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and just tie it. We should chain 40, as you can see, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. After 40 chains, just tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor and just tie it. And insert it like this. This is so easy, as you can see. And just cut the extra yarn and sew with a needle in these loops only, as you can see, the loops in front. Don't forget to like this video, and for more tutorials please subscribe and hit the bell. And we should tie it like this. Again, with your needle, just sew it. Next we make our leaves again a slip knot, and chain 12 like this. Skip one chain and start from next chain. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. This is one single crochet. Next stitch, a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Next stitch, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Next stitch, a half double crochet. Next stitch, a single crochet. Next stitch, slip stitch. Again, we do it again, a single crochet next stitch, a half double crochet in next stitch, 2 double crochet in the same stitch in next stitch, and like that. And just make a single crochet in the next stitch. We make a half double crochet. You should follow the same pattern, okay? And in the end we should make a slip stitch into the first stitch and just chain 1 and cut it with your scissors and tie it. And we can hide the yarn like this. Next we should insert our leaves. Insert your hook like this, somewhere like here, and just like this, and finish it. And you can make a keychain like this. Don't forget to like this video, and for more tutorials please subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.